In this video, I will show you the restoration / maintenance of a Honda mower. I bought it for $120, aware of all of the defects. The main problem was the engine revs fluctuating. Starting with the bottom, I would like to clean the plastic casing as much as possible, replace the blades, and preserve the metal parts. This is what she needed most, a pair of new blades. Looks pretty good from the bottom, so time for top part. Immediately looks better. Fresh juice. In my case, the engine requires 500 milliliters, so I used a bottle of mineral water of this volume. You know that feeling when you're filming a carburetor disassembly and the sound of the revs surging, but you don't realize the camera battery is dead, so you immediately move on to removing the old cylinder head gaskets. Well, I do. Always remember to compare the old spark plug with the new one. Make sure they are the same diameter and length before screwing the new plug to ensure there is a spark at the electrodes, because sometimes even a brand new plug can be faulty. Tighten until you feel the first resistance, then turn the key another 90 degrees. Blown gaskets equals too much air in the combustion chamber equals rough running. If you don't have the original parts, you can use sealing paper that is petrol resistant. I cut a smaller part to make it easier to handle. Then I grease the engine head part and stamp it like a stamp. I'd better replace all the seals so I don't have to check back here again in a while. If the RPMs are still fluctuating, you can take the carburetor apart and clean it. If it only needs cleaning from the outside, be sure to plug all the holes. I used gasoline and an acrylic brush for cleaning. When tightening, remember to apply even pressure, a little to the left, a little to the right. I think $200 for a machine like this is a great deal, even if it doesn't have a grass catcher. This thing doesn't really need a grass catcher to be a satisfying effect, but he'll probably create one in one of the next episodes. And for now, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. And I'm going back to mowing the lawn.